Young lady cut herself.
Should I call the doctor?
No, I don't think it's that serious.
Put yourself outside, then?
It's in a boat.
I once had a man slip and fall in the parking lot. Sued me before I could bat an eye.
I don't think Miss Haynes is going to sue anybody.
Well, you're the lawyer. What is it?
Just some rice I had to clean the cut.
You're a lawyer.
So what are you doing in Bodega Bay?
Do you practice here?
No, San Francisco. So what are you...
What kind of law?
Criminal.
Oh, is that why you want to see everyone behind bars?
Not everyone understands this.
Oh, only the practical jokers.
That's right. Sorry. So what are you doing here?
Didn't you see lovebirds?
You came all the way up here just to see birds?
You're your sister birds. Besides that, I was coming up